Each up again. Look at the count. Everyone, look at the count. Look at the count. Look at the count. Challenge engage in 3, 2, 1. On the fucking ground again. On the fucking ground. On the gate. On the gate. Now get back. Get back. Get back. Get back. Get back. Northeast again. Northeast again. Northeast again. Northeast again.
Anong percent ng gate?
Stabilize. Gate. Check. Yeah.
Hindi makikita eh. Kailangan niya umampas.
Oo. Okay,
Pwede ba
everyone,
lumabas
everyone,
to
gate again.
buo pa?
Southwest gate again, okay? Ready? Look at the count. In 3, 2, 1. On the fucking ground again. On the fucking ground. Gate. Now get back. Fast. Get back. Get back. Southeast. Northeast, I mean.
Nakaset up supports niya, Pudge. Kailangan mo tayo wait.
Ay na, ang kulang nila.
Paano i-repair yung gate?
Pokpokan mo lang.
Ampasin mo.
Pokpokin mo.
Pag ano,
Kung meron ka
50%
demo hammer.
Meron akong demammer kaso nalalabas ako eh.
50 yata,
Hindi,
50%.
pwede na. Iba na ngayon.
Pwede
Hindi
na
na
mag-repair.
makakalabas ngayon.
Okay, look at the crown again.
Oh, repair
Everyone,
na.
each up. Look at the crown again. In 3, 2, 1. On the fucking crown again. Gate. Now get back again. Get back. Northeast. They're engaging. Nice. No one died. They engage already, ha. Kijo, anong gamit mo, Kijo?
Earthrune.
Copy that.
Lalabas
Do
ako
some fake engage. I'll call
Pudge.
for the fake engage, okay?
Pag nag-engage ka, Pudge, ididikit ko sa wall yung kalaban. Naka-hodge ako.
Copy that. Engage ka with me, ah.
Sasabay
Kijo,
ako
meron
sa'yo.
kang cooldown?
Tutulak ako papunta
Yeah.
Okay, get ready to fake engage. On my count, okay? Go gate now. In shop gate, Kijo. Fake engage. 3, 2, 1. Engage.
Looking
Okay.
ah.
No, okay, defensive.
Pwede mo,
Okay, nice. Counter now. In 3, 2, 1. On the fucking gate now. Big clamp. Now northeast again. Chill. Everyone northeast. Ayun, hindi tayo nakaka-delete.
Uy, gago, di ako
Hindi
mapasok.
naman nakaka-delete sila.
Sige na.
Hindi ka na makakapasok dyan. Hindi ka na makakapasok dyan, boss.
Hindi naman ako mamamatay.
Ito, over the wall, Pudge. Ito, yung root
Okay,
bond, oh.
everyone. Over the wall again. Counter engage in 3, 2, 1. On the fucking crown. Now get back. Nice bomb. No one died, but nice bomb.
Masisira ng gate.
Okay, Kijo.
Gugulin ko lang
Saan ka ba?
Wait lang.
Sisira ng gate. Everyone. Okay, Kijo. Wait. No. Spread mo na. Don't look. Don't pick. Kijo, fake on the gate. Whenever you're ready. Okay, everyone, look at the ground. In chop. In 3, 2, 1.
Ayos,
On the
root
fucking
bond,
ground.
Hindi sila nag-engage,
Nice. Northeast now. Northeast. They counter engage. They fail.
Na-engage na defensive to.
Mag-engage
Okay.
siya sa offensive. Ako po isa.
Wala
Wala
na
lang,
Isa lang nagre-repair nung ano.
Isa lang si Rubik's.
Babalik ako.
Ako lang. Kami lang ni Rubik.
Si Mipo.
Guys.
Si Boss Mipo.
Okay, look at the ground again. Each up again. Get ready. In 3, 2, 1. On the fucking count. Gate. Bomb them. Okay, northeast side. Fast.
Pudge, markado ka, lagay mo sa akin engage mo. Next.
Copy that. I'll do some fake engage. I'll be the one doing fake engage, okay? Crown is doing fake engage. Get ready. Meron kang cooldown, Kijo. Get ready
Yeah.
to engage with the shield, okay? That is a real engage, okay? Everyone on my count. And wait. Okay, everyone, look at the shield. Go, Kijo. In 3, 2, 1. On the shield. Potions. Nice. No one died. Now get back. DPS, don't pick. Up front, def tanks and keep preparing the
Ilang percent gate?
percentage.
60.
Kijo, meron yung cooldown,
25.
Kijo.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll do some fake, okay? Wait.
Nakikita mo yung nasa sa west side, sa may corner. Ano ba natin
okay.
yan?
Okay, Kijo, go sa corner.
Wait.
Engaging. Defensive. Heals yung wari. Defensive yung wari.
Nice.
Okay, now, everyone, counter on the fucking shield. In 3, 2, 1. On the fucking shield.
Ready sila.
Get back again. Northeast side.
Eto pa, Joe, yung fried cat, yung nasa gilid, yun yung tamaan mo. Di yun na lalagyan ng defensive. Pwede mo mahuli yan. Sa may wall.
Sige lang.
West.
Percent ng gate, percent ng gate.
Percent.
50-50.
Walang call.
55. Nare-repair pa
Okay,
namin.
everyone, look at the crown again. Inch up the crown again. We're going to engage west side, okay? In 3, 2, 1, on the fucking crown. Nice bomb. Now, northeast
Diba?
side again. Tangay na. Sustain nila yung damage natin. Hilap.
Puta na, naglalab ako.
45 ah.
45.
Yung
Keep
gate.
preparing. Careful.
Wala ko defensive.
Copy.
One set lang naman to, Pads, no?
One set lang to. Sige lang. Careful. Kijo. Engage with Kijo, okay? Okay, engage with Kijo. Everyone, inch up again. Look at the fucking gate. Look at Kijo. In 3, 2, 1, on fucking Kijo. Now get back.
Ay, subo
Get
sila.
back.
Nice.
Headbutt.
Patay si Wari.
Patay si
Okay,
Wari.
sorry. Get back.
33.
Tangin na, tayo yung namatay. Hindi sila.
Hindi,
Oh, na.
dalawa yung namatay. Dalawa.
I'll do some fake again. I'll fake. Kijo, you have cooldown?
Yeah.
Okay. Get ready. Inch up on the fucking shield again. Shield. Look at the shield. Get ready.
Engage niya nga.
Defensive.
Pwede mo
Okay,
counter.
counter. In 3, 2, 1, on the fucking shield. Okay, no one cut. Northeast again. Shield.
45 yung gate.
Keep preparing
20
the gate.
minutes.
Keep preparing the
20
gate.
minutes.
I'll do some fake again, ha? Okay, the counter. Get ready, Kijo. Look at the fucking shield. And 3, 2, 1, on the shield. And counter. Now, okay, nice. Northeast now. Walk northeast now. Nice counter, but no one died.
May
Nakaset
duty
up
kasi.
sila. Na nakaset up
May
yung
duty.
supports.
Expected nila. Each time mag-fail sila, mag-fake ka na lang.
Yo.
Engage. Defensives. Sorit died, fuck.
Yo, palot si Sorit. Yo.
Dito ni Sorit,
yan.
merong demo hammer yan.
Di good
Wala,
yan.
nabasag ata di mo.
Pasag. Okay, look at the crown again, everyone. Crown zone, inch up. In 3, 2, 1, on the fucking crown. Gate. Now get back. Get back. The counter.
Tigas ni Hunter.
Bitin naman ako pang outkeeper,
Ingat.
Counter. Careful. Now look at Kijo. Look at Kijo. Inch up on Kijo. Okay, inch up on Kijo. Get ready.
80% gate. 80%.
Copy that. Chill. No. Chill muna, chill.
10%.
Puta, gamit yung night hell niya.
8%. 5%.
Yo, back mo northeast. Northeast lang.
Okay, get back.
Papasok lang yan. Ayan mo, papasokin mo.
Get back. No, don't go to second floor. Get back lang dito lang. Dito lang.
Spread lang dito.
Look at the crown, guys. Look at the crown, okay? Get ready. Kijo, saan ka?
Eto, wait lang, sige lang.
Okay, I'll do fake engage, okay?
Papasokin mo muna. Huhulihin ko
I'll
sa
do fake
stairs.
engage. Don't worry. I'll do fake engage, and then everyone engage yung Kijo, the shield, okay? They're just waiting. Defensive, ready kayo kung magkaano sila, ha? Wala. Okay, careful. Spread. Now look at the count. We're going to engage over the wall. Okay, look at the count. Itch up. On the count. Saan kayo? In 3, 2, 1. On the fucking count.
Papasok yan.
Papasok. Defensive. Soak the fucking engage. Now everyone spread and brawl. Babalik yan sila. Spread and brawl. Kijo. Okay, never mind. Spread. Get ready. Si Kijo. Shield. Si Kijo. Inch up on Kijo. Counter kayong Kijo, ha? Okay,
Pick mo
ready?
muna.
Kijo.
Pick mo muna.
Ako muna.
Pasok na.
Okay, everyone, Kijo on Kijo in 3, 2, 1, on Kijo na, on Kijo. Na defensive while going northeast, defensive while going northeast.
They will enter if
Okay,
you
okay,
need
they didn't bite. Tang, ina.
Pudge, pwede mo
Preparing nga
sabay
yung mga wall.
yung light color sa'yo para mag-ano sila, defensive sila.
Ilan nga ulit yung light color natin?
Dalawa.
Dalawa, di ba?
Kahit yung light color lang sumabay
Balki,
sa'yo.
ikaw
oo.
main engage ka Ikaw na ba
Para
yung isang color,
mag-defensive
ikaw
sila.
bahala Ikaw bahala kung kailan ka mag-engage. Damage ka lang.
Oo. Para lang
Engage.
defensive.
Main Valky again. Get ready. I'll do fake engage. Faking. Okay.
Halata, Patch, halata.
Alata.
Oo.
Keju.
De. Pudge, i-wait mo na lang. Counter na lang tayo.
Sige lang.
Para matrap sa bridge.
Nice. Rubik's.
Nag-engage yan. Nag-engage.
Don't worry, chill. Just walking down. Now, Keju, dun ka sa west side. Patayin mo nga yung mga Get ready In-shop mong Keju. Get ready. Keju, engage in west. And
Wait.
3, 2, 1. Engage yung Keju now. Engage Keju. Na-get back.
Ang layo ng iba.
Looking nga.
Defensive. Stop them.
Nice stop.
Okay. Everyone, if you have get ready to engage on the stairs. And 3, 2, 1. On the fucking ground. Come. Never mind. Okay. Get back. Northeast.
I-wait mo lang, Pudge. I-wait mo lang.
Sige lang. Counter engage lang natin sila kung
Counter na lang.
Preparing
Pag
the walls.
pumasok,
Preparing.
pwede kayo
Preparing
funnel
the
dito sa may side.
Nabasag nila yung west side.
Yung wall.
Oh.
I'll do some fake engage.
West
I'll do some fake engage.
Pwede sa west.
Wala. They're engaging. Okay, that's a fake. Chillax lang si Rubik's mo palo, gago.
Nilalapagin ko nga lang guard ron parati.
Okay, look at Kijo now. Get ready. In shot mo Kijo. Shield. Okay, and 3, 2, 1. On Kijo now. Kijo. Okay, northeast now. Get back.
Looking.
They're looking. I'm gonna stop them. Okay, defensive. Spread and ball. Potions. No, brawl. Look at the stairs again. On the ground. In 3, 2, 1. On the ground. Engage the ground. Fuck them up. Okay, northeast side again. Spread. Northeast side. Lumabas sila. Brawl yung left behind. Enemy that is left hand. Brawl. Engaging. Defensive. We don't have defensive. Shit. Get ready.
Pila ko.
Okay, everyone, look at the ground. Counter. Look at the ground. Ready. In chop. Look at the ground. Get ready. In 3, 2, 1. On the fucking. Never mind. Cancel. Disrupted. Northeast side again. Northeast side.
Patay yung nagre-repair natin,
Patay nagre-repair.
Oo.
Lahat ba na
Wala
nagre-repair
tayo
na matay?
nagre-repair.
Hindi.
Si Rubik.
Halos.
Kiju, you dead? Shit,
18 na
Kiju
sila.
died.
18 disari sila.
Uwi na.
Halos na tayo.
Mount up. Ay, no. Second floor muna. Second floor.
Second floor.
Tangina nila. Mga bobo. Ba't ninano nila yung mga noob?
You going in?
18 disari
Mount up. Go second floor and then mount up. Cool down
Ingat
your
sa
let your
Mas up
outlaw
yung family at saka MC baka mag-transport siya ngayon na.
Cool down your outlaws and get ready to go inside back to the HO. Wala tayong makukuha dyan. At least we tried to defend.
Tumagal tayo. 20 minutes. Wala rin masyadong namamatay sa atin.
Oo nga. At least we hold.